We decided to have some fun this holiday season and decorate our van for Halloween. Get a little bit of extra attention, maybe a few more service calls, but we'll definitely put some smiles on people's faces. Check it out. You just put a scratch in the top of the van. This don't make no sense yet. Do not push or tilt, no moving after assemble, do not climb on, install on a level area only, and do not modify. I think we broke every single one of their rules.
Pretty sure every single one of them is broken.
Gotta have a clean work area. Okay. You know, I should probably go in there and see if the neighbor's dog is still in my house. Big metal frame, adapter inside. This thing plugs in. That is one hell of a back scratcher. I'm gonna guess this is a femur. Would you like to hold my bone? These are jokes, because they're humorous. Oh, we got some safety cable, which we definitely won't need. When they say 12 feet, they're not kidding. They put a skull
In a box.
in a box.
My new friend.
You know what they say about a guy with big feet?
They got big socks.
Big bones, big bones. Those are what lock all the legs together. What's supposed to happen is these sit on there like that.
Oh.
So we don't want that. So we need parts D and E. Lower leg bones F and G. Aha, I'm starting to get it. That can't be right. No way. Because the guy is supposed to be standing, so this is like something like that, and then this is supposed to be something along these lines. Maybe it's something like this. Holes D and E go through, and then H and H go in those. We're gonna build it on this for now. D and E, I believe D went on the left. Now we have H and H, if I remember right. We're only hip high and we're 6 feet. I guess he is 12 feet tall, right? I and J. Okay, well that ain't working. Oh yeah, there we go. We got the access right back there. When in doubt, force it. Now we've got K. We do this and our legs are assembled, and that'll let us cut it off the framework where we need to cut it off. You're there. Okay, so that's like a good halfway point, actually. So now we have to figure out how to put this together without it being clipped at the bottom. How about that? Now that wire will pull out the bottom. Done. We can put all these back in. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try it anyway.
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Oh, that's gonna be beautiful. Boom. Let's see her. Let's see what we got. Hell yes. Yeah, everything else there is just gonna have to be no support, and then the head just stays on how it stays on. Safety third again. Now's the hard part. They're just stripping.
As long as you remember which way it went.
This way. Just like that.
Oh yeah, that same hole would work.
Put a lot of weight on that leg, I'm gonna twist. Okay. We do that. Probably need some more zip ties.
Oh, where did that come out of? Maybe still too low.
How's it going? Good.
Oh, keep going. You got it.
Okay, there's one. That came on that side. We don't like that. We put it on that side. We like it, but we have to change this, and we can even rotate those discs in there to get whatever we need. That's not good. And if we go up one more, that's not good either, right? We may hold off on his arms. We'll get the rest of them up there for now and see what we get. I don't even know if this thing's like safe to walk on up here. I was expecting those to be metal.
I was too.
They're not. Yeah, do you see anything in the way?
So if you go straight, it's open.
I just drilled a hole in the top of a Ford Transit. Okay, that is. I see the rubber swelling. Hey, John.
Yeah.
Is that loud in there?
Oh, that's loud. Yeah, we're in that rafter. I'm not gonna be able to see that.
Okay, how wide is that cross member?
3 inches wide with the cross member, but we're about 6 inches, 8 inches with the hole. Perfect. He's over there smelling your butt. Just don't fall off the van.
Yep, I'm gonna try not to. You just put a scratch in the top of the van.
Nobody will see it.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, we're not centered though. All in all, not bad if we only burn one zip tie through this whole thing. We've got both feet together. Now we're gonna go both feet to each other. That ain't going nowhere. You gotta flick the strap.
Flick it.
This don't make no sense yet, but it will. I'm kind of liking that.
I like it hanging over.
The bend is awesome. It's kind of sketchy to do this up here. Wait a minute. Rotating this is not an option like I thought it was. Let's try rotating this with the Allen. And I might need a crescent wrench. I will probably need a crescent wrench when this is all done. Boom!
Simple as pie.
And that's why it was a spring. Idiot party of one. I forgot to put all the screws back in it before I tightened that thing down. Look at that, still haven't even wasted one. Boom. That ain't coming off.
Right about there.
He's gonna bounce around a little bit, but he ain't gonna go anywhere. Uh-oh, I forgot a zip tie. I forgot 2 zip ties. Dang it, I gotta get back up there. Ha ha! That's how you make a 12-foot skeleton look small. You put him in his hands over his head like he's 15 feet tall now. Do not push or tilt. No moving after a cymbal. Do not climb on. Install on a level area only, and do not modify. I think we broke every single one of their rules. If a piece broke, contact us. Oh, I will definitely contact them
After
if
we're
a
done
piece
with
breaks.
it, I'm sending you a new one.
I am curious where those other pieces went though.